Here we are in the parking lot outside the University of Jiu-Jitsu and got locked outside. But a good trainer knows how to work someone out anytime, any place, anywhere. Luckily, I had the equipment in the van. This is the bird dog exercise, and typically it is a little bit too easy for most people. So we're going to make it a little bit tougher by using light weights. And instead of having hey just lift the arm to the front, we're going to work to the side because he needs the rear subscapular area work. So if you would, just kneel and grab the little dumbbells. Alright, make sure the knees are underneath the hips and keep your toes curled and have the dumbbells directly underneath the shoulder. So you're going to lift this leg and this arm to the side simultaneously. Ready? And so straighten this leg out and lift your arm towards Teresa at the same time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, curl your toe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. So we're doing static contraction exercise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change. Repetition number 2. We'll do 5 reps. He's working the rear shoulders, the glutes, the hamstrings, a lot of lower back, this whole core, this whole posterior chain, and change. This is number 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, change. All right, number 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's 4, last one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,